Do you want to turn your iPhone into a professional production studio to give yourself the ability to put up amazing videos on YouTube? Then this is the video series for you. We're going to talk about 5 apps, guys. 5 apps is all you're going to need to make some amazing video content that can start to rank and get you farther in YouTube. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we're just talking apps today, guys. So there's 5 apps, not 10. 5 apps. There's 5 apps that we are going to talk about. The first one is called Moment. First thing we got to do is make the video. So there is a video that I'm going to put a link to over here that has kind of a rundown on how to use this app. It is called Moment. It allows you to have manual control over the camera in your iPhone. So you can control the ISO, the exposure, the aperture, the shutter, you name it. You can select presets, and it looks great, guys. It has a built-in stabilization into it that looks fantastic when you have it on playback. So anyway, Moment, that is going to be number 1, is the app called Moment. Number 2 is going to be a video editing software called ENLIGHT VIDEOLEAP. Now, ENLIGHT VIDEOLEAP has been making a lot of waves because it makes things extremely easy to just take the footage that you immediately shot and turn it into something that looks fantastic. In fact, that's exactly how I'm editing this video you're watching right now. So, you know, I could even turn on studio lights like that, or I could turn them back off. It's that kind of video. I could add sound effects. I could do a lot of other things to it. So, anyway, number 2, ENLIGHT VIDEOLEAP. Okay, number 3. Okay, and the third one is YouTube Studio. That is going to allow us to upload the videos to YouTube, put new thumbnails, put descriptions, and put keywords in there so that we can upload everything. I still use the computer afterwards to kind of do some fine tuning from there, but to get it up and get it onto YouTube, YouTube Studio is going to do the trick. Okay, number 4. The fourth one is called Thumbnail Maker. Now, we all need a good-looking thumbnail for people to come check out the video. It's one of the reasons people click on stuff, and we want to make sure that they're able to notice it in the list and the feed that comes out. So, get Thumbnail Maker. It will allow you to make some amazing-looking thumbnails. There's a ton of templates that are in there. It allows you to just upload your own content, your own pictures, change the fonts, and make it look really great. And speaking of a maker, the next one's also great. It's called an intro maker. That intro maker will make an amazing intro for you. So that way you don't have to hire some motion graphics guy to make something amazing. You can actually make something pretty cool with this alone. Now, some of these are paid apps. I think in total I spent 30 bucks in apps total, and that's lifetime usage. So for me, that's pretty awesome. So, I actually, you know what? I think the ENLIGHT might be monthly. I'm not sure about the ENLIGHT VIDEOLEAP. I'm not sure. Check on that one. But the other ones, like the Thumbnail Maker, the Intro Maker, those are just a one-time payoff that were well under $10, which is great. And Moment, I believe, was a one-time purchase as well. I think that was $7.99, I think. Anyway, I'm not representing any of these guys. These links are simply links to the apps. I gain nothing from it. Why did I do that? I want to make money from it, but that's later on, guys. Right now, we just want to make some content. We want to create something cool for you guys to follow. So download those 5 apps, guys. The descriptions are down below in the description. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, because I'll be shooting out a bunch of new videos, and they're all going to be centered on making your video content with just your iPhone, because in the end, guys, we all have a phone that can do some amazing things way better than they could 10 years ago. You don't need a big computer anymore. You don't have to wait to get home to load in your footage and go through all of that big time stuff. Do you like to still do it? Do I still like to do it? Yes, I love shooting with my DSLR still. I still love shooting with an iPhone and just bringing the footage into Premiere or After Effects, but I've lately started to really fall in love with just this portable little production studio called an iPhone. and I hope you do too. So I hope you like the series. I'm BC. I will see you guys in the next video. We're going to talk about each one of these apps. The first one up is Moment. See you then. Bye.